Hi, folks. Tired of using your brains to think and being a human being? Thinking should be illegal, as one Democrat from Houston says. Thinking should be illegal. Okay, I didn't vote for her, and all the Texans who lives in Texas should vote her out. That's House Representative Jackson Lee, Sheila Jackson Lee. So, if thinking is illegal, what the heck are you watching this for? Okay, being serious, what makes, read that, sorry. What makes CNN news stories fake? It can't, number one, can't be verified. I don't know where they find this. They cannot be verified. Even when I do my stuff, I always have verification of other channels that did the story. Fake news appeals to emotion. They'll have like, and a young black man was gunned down today. They don't show him a tattoo crypt with a 9mm over dead bodies. They show you a 12-year-old picture of a cute little black kid. No. Okay? Always appeals to emotion. Or they'll show like a little dog, little squirrel, some kind of animal thing. People, happy people, groups of people, dancing, singing people. That's fake news appeals to emotion. So if you see anything about dancing or singing or fake pictures, you know it appeals to emotion. Number two, fake news appeals to emotion. Authors aren't experts. They're normally paid trolls. Okay? They're like, hi, I'm blah, blah, Professor blah, blah. Oh, no, I'm not this kind of expert. I'm not a doctor. I play one in the TV show. Okay? Authors are not usually experts. They're paid trolls or paid personalities for that company. Okay? Think about it, folks. Number four, cannot be found anywhere else. You Google it up, it's not there. Their experts aren't there. It can't be found anywhere. It cannot be found in other news medias. Cannot be found anywhere to back it up. So you're watching CNN or NSNBC. Now people ask me about that. MNS or MSM or NSN is either Microsoft Media or Microsoft News. They cover both because people get confused easy. Okay? So you check on who they're reporting. And CNN and NSN or NSMM is not a news organization. It's an outlet for a computer company, and the other one is a media group. Okay, get that through your little heads. Fake news comes from fake sites. Like they were talking about a whole bunch of stuff on CNN, I found out, wait, it's coming from North Korea, Iran, China, Russia. Fake news comes from fake sites. You check their sites and you find out, wait, it just started in 2021. And it's not verified, or this organization never existed. Always double check. 5 steps. 5 easy steps. So you check when you see Anderson Cooper blab away or the other guy blab away, you follow these steps. Can it be verified? Is it appeals to emotion? Are the authors credible? Can it be found on Google or any other website? Or any other media station like newspapers or TV, radio, whatever. Fake news comes from fake sites. Check out the sites. Make sure it's a real site, not a fake make-believe site. Okay? Think, people. Thinking is not illegal. And you tell that to Sheila Jackson Lee. Thinking is not illegal. Catch you later, folks.